Let's take a look at how to add a picture in Squarespace. So when you're editing your site, you're going to want to add a block that's an image. So if I have some text here on the right and I want to add an image here on the left, I'm going to go to the Add Block button on this section. I'm going to find Image, and then you can do a number of things here. We can click on our image to add an image here, and we can upload it. We can select from our library of previously uploaded images. We could also browse stock imagery and even upload an image from mobile. So if you have an image from your phone or something, you can just upload that pretty easily. So from upload file, we're just going to be taken to the actual photo browser or whatever browser you have on your computer, and you could select an image to upload from here. If you've already uploaded an image and it's in your assets on your Squarespace site, you can also do select from library. Now this will show your library. On this site, I don't have any images, but it also gives you a tab for stock images. So you could even go to stock images and search for free imagery if you want to add in here. And so I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to add it in, and it's just going to add the image to this box. Now we have a few options with this, with our picture. We can align it horizontal and vertical. We can also add a link, and then we can edit. And when we edit it, we can actually adjust the design of it and how it either fits the image aspect ratio. So you can see how the image fits and stays the same size. It doesn't fill the box. Or the next one is fill, which allows the image to kind of scale proportionally and fill up the entire box that we have, which this box we can then edit as well. Here in a second, I'll show you that. You can add image effects, overlays. You can adjust the corners as well. So you can do a corner radius if you want to. We could do a corner radius of 50, for instance, and now it's a rounded corner image. You can also set it to fill a shape, and you can choose your shape, lots of different shapes if you want a circle image or anything like that. But we can just fill what we have here, and then we can click off of this, select this image again, and from the corner edges here, we can actually pull this image box and kind of scale it to whatever we want. So if we want an image like this, it's going to match up with the rows and columns in our section, and we can click and drag this around to place it here next to our text. And so now we have this image that's kind of lined up with our text blocks as well. And so it's pretty easy to bring a photo or a picture into Squarespace just by adding an image block and then editing it to show it the way that you want to show it. That's how to add a picture in Squarespace.